Hello everyone. The previous video we have learned file menu. In this video we are going to learn home tab. In the home tab the first option is clipboard. In that cut is there. Example C. I am going to select these two sentences. I don't want here these two sentences. So I am going to click on cut. So I want in middle of the paragraph. So I am going to enter here and I am going to click on paste. In the paste we have two options. Paste and paste special. So I will teach you paste special later. I am going to click on paste. When I am going to click on paste, the content will come here. Okay, see, again I don't want here, I want to move from here to there. I am going to select this, click on cut, and I am going to keep here cursor point and click on paste. This is nothing but cut paste. But I want to keep here and also I want another one in. So you have to click on copy and where you want, keep your cursor point and paste it there. See, it is a duplication of this previous one. So copy paste mean we can make it double. I hope you are getting. Yeah. Next, font. What is font mean? Okay, I am going to select here and you can choose the font. That font style will be changed. You can see, observe. So you can choose which one you want. Select the content and you can choose it. But this type of option it wasn't there in Notepad, because in Notepad it entirely changed all font at a time. But in WordPad we can change the specific selected fonts. See? Okay? Yeah. So but which is the standard font? You can choose Cambria, Arial, Times New Roman, anything. So and I am going to choose this, and you can increase the font size here or decrease, and it is increase. Otherwise you can increase here direct from here, and also you can decrease from here also. So this is nothing but font increase and font decrease. And this is a italic, you can deactivate, and this is a bold. For this font we can't identify the italic. Let I am going to choose this font and I am going to make a bold. You can observe here, so it's getting thicker, thinner, and you can make italic here like this. See, slightly it become like bend on right side. This is called italic, and you can click on underline. It will get like this. And this is strikeout. The text between the line will come. This is called strikeout. What is the use of strikeout? For example, here the Bhaskar is a clever student in Sahara EduTech. I don't want this clever word. I want to show as a strikeout without deleting. I can apply like this. So this is actually called strikeout. Okay, if you don't want this, you can disable it. And if you don't want underline, you can disable underline also. I hope you are getting. Yes. And next is actually subscript and superscript is there. So I am going to enter here. I am going to type like H2. Sorry. I am going to enter here H2O, otherwise A square plus B square. Now I will increase little bit more to visible purpose. I am going to select this 2 number. When I am going to click subscript, it will come like this. See, H2O subscript. And I want to make a square, so you can make superscript. So this is called superscript and this is called subscript. Okay, and next is font color. I want to apply font color for this. I can select and I can choose the font color, which color you want, and different font color we can apply. Font size we can apply, anything we can. See, and if you want to make a highlight color or shadow color on background, you can apply this. See, text highlight. If you don't want, you can disable that highlight color and you can give it automatic color. So this is nothing but font. I hope you are getting. Yes. And next is actually called paragraph. What is paragraph mean? See, I am going to choose this 2 line here, and if I click on this, increase indent. So what happening? It's giving space from left side. If you don't want me, you can click on decrease indent. So like this. But it is very less using while you're using WordPad, because if you want to shift entire the lines, okay, for this paragraph mean you can give an indent for that. It's looking so attractive. If you don't want, you can decrease indent. And if you want bullets, mean you can apply bullets like this. If you want number bullets, you can apply number bullets. If I apply alphabetical bullet, anything, you have styles here, different way you can apply it. If you don't want, you can disable this. And next we have your line. What is line mean? Okay, I'm going to delete this. Okay, now I'm going to choose middle paragraph. If I click 1, so you can observe the line space will decrease. If I click 1.15, it will increase. If I click 1.5, it will increase more. If I click 2, it increase more and more. If you don't want, you can give it 1. Like that, I'm going to choose 3 paragraphs here. I'm going to give 1, and you can observe between a paragraph we have space here. If you don't want that, you can disable this add 10 point after space paragraph. If I disable, see there is no space between a paragraph. If you want to give a space, mean again go to paragraph, sorry, not this, go to here and click add 10 point space after paragraph, it will come space. Okay, we got it this. And next we have alignment. What is alignment? Okay, I'm going to choose this. I can click on center and left, right. So this is a left alignment, this is center alignment, and this is right alignment. You can observe the content is going to arrange like that. But I want to keep both sides equal. So you can choose which one you want and you can click justify. Now we can observe the paragraph is become both sides equal. I hope you are getting. Yes, thank you. And now one more option is there here, that is called paragraph. If you go to paragraph, what we have applied before like indent and line space, everything we can apply here also. But here some different mean. Here we can apply indent on left side only, but if you go to here, you can apply left to 1 inches and right 1 inches. You can type it there and click OK. Now we can observe from left 1 inches indent and from right 1 inches indent has come. If you don't want that, again go to paragraph, again select this, delete, and again select this, delete, and click here OK. It will come. And we have a 10 space of this because we have applied here. We can disable here also, otherwise go to paragraph, you can disable this also. Like see here one option is the same option, disable it and click OK. It never comes space. Again if you want to come, you can apply it. And line space also you can give here, otherwise you can give here also like 1.5. But my suggestion, don't want to go there, just you can apply here only. But one more extra option is there. What is that mean? Here first line. For example, you can observe some textbook, you can get some space in the first line. So like 0.5, I'm going to give 0.5, click OK. You can observe, see what happened, the 0.5 space has come. Okay, if you don't want like that, again go there and disable that 0 and click OK. It will come back. So this is nothing but paragraph. I hope you are getting. Yes. But in that again we have one tabs, but I will teach you in the next video about this, and page special I will teach in the next video. Thank you.